Okay. Yes. What's your name?
My name is Kathleen.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Anton.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Okay. Now look at this. What is this?
This is cabbage.
Cabbage. Okay. What is this?
This is tomato.
Tomato. Okay. So, what do you want?
I want onion.
I want
I
an
want-
onion. Okay. Okay. Good job. What do you want?
I want some paper.
Some peppers. Good job. Okay. Look at this. Where is this place?
This is park.
It's a park. Okay. Where is this place?
The library.
Library. Okay. Where is this place?
This is movie theater.
Movie theater. Okay. Where is this place?
The department store.
Department store. Okay. So, what is she doing at the department store?
She is shopping at the department store.
Good. Okay. What is he doing at the park?
He's kicking a ball.
Good. Okay. And what are they doing at the library?
They are borrowing books at the library.
Good. What are they doing at the movie theater?
The
What are they doing at the movie theater?
They are watching
Watching what? Watching a movie. Yes. Yes. They are watching a
movie.
movie. Okay. Good. Okay. Look at it. Who is he?
He is salesperson.
Where does the salesperson work?
The salesperson works at the department store.
Great. Okay. Who is he? Sorry. Who is she?
She is a librarian. Works at the library.
Okay. She's a librarian. Okay. Where does the librarian work?
The librarian
Works.
works at the library.
Good. Work at the library. Okay. Who is she?
She is vet.
Vet. What does the vet do?
The vet helps sick animals.
Good job. And where does the vet work?
The vet works at the animals hospital.
Good. Great. Okay. Who is he?
He is a cashier.
Cashier. Where does the cashier work?
The cashier
Works
works at the supermarket.
at a supermarket. Yeah. Great. Okay. Who is he?
He is a cookie.
A cook. Does the cook flies planes? Does the cook flies plane? Yes or no? Does the cook flies airplane?
No, he is.
No, he
No, he.
doesn't. Okay. Does the cook makes food?
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does. Okay. Who is she?
She is
Salesperson? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. What does the salesperson do?
the salesperson sells things.
Good job. Sales thing. Okay. Okay. Who is she?
She is
A vet. What does the vet do?
the best health animal.
Okay. Help sick animal. Okay. Who is she?
She is pilot.
Pilot. Does the pilot drive buses?
No, she doesn't.
What does the pilot do?
The pilot flies planes.
Good job. Okay. What is this?
It is spoon.
Spoon. Okay. Here you are. What is this?
This is a plate.
Plate. Okay. Here you are. And what is this?
It is a cup.
A cup. Okay. Whose plate it is?
This is
It's his. Okay. Whose spoon it is?
Is
His. Okay. Whose cup it is?
It's yours.
It's yours. Okay. Okay. Good job. Thank you so much. Thank
Take
you.
care.
Thank you.